Exercise 11.2, question number 4. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. See the rough figure first. First we will draw a circle of radius 5 cm with center O. Now it is given that the tangents to this circle are inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. So we will take any 2 points P and Q and R on the circle on which we need to draw tangents, and take P as the external point from where tangents are drawn. Now this angle RPQ, this angle is 60 degree. This is what is given. So if you consider the quadrilateral PQOR, in this quadrilateral we have angle P 60 degree. This is given to us. Angle Q and angle R, they both are equal to 90 degree. This we know because of the theorem that radius and tangent are perpendicular at the point of contact. So therefore OR and PR, they are perpendicular. So angle Q and angle R, they are 90 degree each. So therefore in quadrilateral PQOR, if we apply the angle sum property of quadrilateral, then we will get angle P plus R plus Q plus angle O. This is equal to 360 degree. This is by the angle sum property. So which means that angle O will be 360 minus, now these angles we know, they are 90, 90 and 60. So if we subtract those angles from 360, we will get the measure of angle O, that is 120 degree, which means that the radii, the two radii of the circle, they are inclined at an angle of 120 degree. So with that we will begin the construction. First we will measure 5 cm on the compass and draw a circle. This is the required circle. We will mark O as the center of the circle. Then we will draw a radius. This is OQ, the first radius. Now at the point O, we will construct 120 degree angle and draw the second radius. So draw any semicircle and then without changing the radius, cut two arcs. Now this is 120 degree angle. So this point will be marked as R. So I have got two radii now, OQ and OR, which are inclined at an angle of 120 degree. This is 120 degree angle. Now I will be making 90 degree angle at the point Q, because I know the radius and tangent are perpendicular. So I am making a perpendicular at the point Q to obtain my first tangent. This is the 90 degree angle that I have constructed at the point Q. So this is my first tangent that I obtain, which is going perpendicular to OQ. Now in the same way, I will tilt the paper a little bit to make another tangent at the point R. So I will again construct 190 degree angle at the point R. So I have constructed 90 degree angle at the point R. Now when I extend this to meet the previous tangent at a point, so I will extend both so that they can intersect at a point, and that point will be the external point, that is P. So this point is P. Now this angle RPQ, that will come as 60 degrees. So this angle between the radii is 120. Angle R and angle Q, they are 90. So therefore this remaining angle, by the angle sum property, it will be 60 degree.